Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. My name is Peter Paul Carlos. Today I will teach you one of the topic of general mathematics, or what we call Gen Math. It is the composition of functions. So when we say composition of function, it is the applying one function to the results of another function. So like for example, the f of x is sent through the g of x. And also the composition of functions occurs when the output or result of one function becomes the input of another function. For the functions, it is represented by f of x or g of x. And for the composition, it is represented by f times the quantity of g of x, or the g times the quantity of f of x. And now, I will give you some examples of composition of functions. So, let's start. First, the f of x. F of x is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1, and the g of x is equal to x minus 1. F, the composition of g of x is equal to f quantity of g of x is equal to x minus 1 is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to x squared plus 2x. So what I did in this operation, the function f is applied to the result of applying the function g to x. In solving, you should simplify all the like terms, or what we call combined like terms. And also, I combine all the like terms. That's why the answer is x squared plus 2x. The next example is g composition of f of x. So we have g composition of f of x is equal to g, the quantity of f of x, is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1 is equal to the quantity of x minus 1 squared plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 1 plus 1 is equals to the quantity of x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 2x minus 2 plus 1 is equal to x squared. So what I did is just the same with the first example, because the function g is applied to the result of applying function f to x. How did I get the quantity of x minus 1 squared? So I used the process vertical method. So let's try another examples of composition of functions. I guess this is more complex with the first two examples. So let's do it. So the third example is a of x plus b of x. So let's try to find out the sum of a of x plus b of x. A of x plus b of x is equal to the quantity of a plus b of x, the quantity of x squared plus 10 plus 24 plus the quantity of x squared minus 3 is equal to 2x squared plus 10x plus 27. So the next is a composition of b of x. So a composition of b of x is equal to a, the quantity of b of x is equal to x squared plus 10 plus 24 is equal to the quantity of x squared plus 3 squared plus 10 times the quantity of x squared plus 3 plus 24 is equal to x raised to 4 plus 6x squared plus 9 plus 10x squared plus 30 plus 24. So we need to combine like terms again. So the answer is x raised to 4 plus 16x squared plus 63. So how did I get the x raised to 4 plus 6x squared plus 9? So I used the vertical method in the x squared plus 3x squared. And in the 10 times the quantity of x squared plus 3, so I just distribute it. So it is like 10 times x squared and 10 times 3. So next is the quantity of AB of x. So AB of x is equal to the quantity of x squared plus 10x plus 24 times x squared plus 3. So let us distribute it. X squared times x squared is x raised to 4. And then x squared times 3 is equal to 3x squared. And then 10x times x squared is equal to 10x cubed. And then 10x times 3 is equal to 30x. And then 24 times x is equal to 24x. And then 24 times 3 is equal to 72. So let us combine all the like terms. So the answer will be x raised to 4 plus 10x cubed plus 27x squared plus 30x plus 72. So now, the next example is C, composition of D of x. So, C, composition of D of x is equal to C, the quantity of D of x is equal to x squared all over 4. Let us apply the function D of x in the x squared. So it will be the quantity of x minus 1 all over x squared all over 4. Again, let us use the vertical method. So it will be x squared minus 2x plus 1 all over x squared all over 4. So we need to multiply the 4 in the x squared minus 2x plus 1 all over x squared. So it will be x squared minus 2x plus 1 all over x squared times 1 over 4. So how did I get the 1 over 4? So for we have the imaginary denominator all over 1, and then we took the reciprocal, so it turned to 1 over 4. So the answer will be x squared minus 2x plus 1 all over 4x squared. So guys, that's it. Thank you for watching my vlog, and then I hope you've learned something from me, and then wish you good luck and God bless. Bye. Thank you. Quantity of a plus b of x is equal to x is the quantity of x squared is equal to the quantity of x squared plus 10 plus 24. And the answer is